Ever seen a crypto project with a 50-page white paper and felt lost? Don't worry, you're not alone.
Today at Bilal Haider AI Studio, I'll teach you how to read any crypto white paper step by step.
Why white papers matter. A white paper is like the project's blueprint. It explains what the project is and why it exists. Investors use it to judge if the project is worth their time and money. If you skip the white paper, you're basically investing blind.
Section 1, problem statement. First, look for the problem statement. Every legit project starts by explaining the problem it wants to solve. Example, Bitcoin's white paper talks about removing middlemen in payments. Section 2, the solution. Next comes the solution, how the project plans to solve that problem. This part tells you the unique idea behind the project. If the solution is vague, that's your first red flag.
Section 3, technology. Now, pay attention to the technology. Is it built on Ethereum, Solana, or its own blockchain?
Good projects explain their tech in simple language. If it's overly complicated and confusing, they may be hiding something. Section 4, tokenomics. Here's the most important part, tokenomics. Look for total supply, distribution, and utility of the token. For example, how many tokens go to the team, to investors, and to the community. Unfair token distribution equals potential dump risk.
Section 5, roadmap. Then, check the roadmap. It shows what the project has achieved and what it plans to achieve next.
If a project promises the moon but has no clear timeline, be cautious. Section 6, team and partners. Strong teams build strong projects. See who is behind the project. Are they anonymous or verified professionals? Good projects also list advisors and partnerships. If there's no team info, that's another red flag.
If token holders get voting rights, it's a sign of transparency. Projects with no community involvement often fail.
Section 8. Competitors. A serious project always mentions competitors. Why? Because no idea is 100% unique.
If they pretend they have no competition, they may not be realistic. Section 9. Security. Security is critical. And look for mentions of audits, bug bounties, or security measures. If there's no talk of security, red flag.
Section 10, use cases. Finally, ask, what can I actually do with this token? Real utility times real value. No utility times just hype.
Quick example walkthrough, Padnam. Let's take Ethereum's white paper. Problem, need for decentralized apps. Solution, a smart contract platform. See? Clear and structured. Red flags in white papers. Too much jargon equals hiding flaws. No team details means lack of transparency. Unrealistic promises means scam alert. Copy-paste content means low-effort project.
Why white papers are overlooked. Most beginners ignore white papers because they look boring or too technical.
But experts read them to separate gems from garbage. That's what makes the difference between losing money and making it. The future of white papers in 2025. Today, white papers are evolving. Some projects make them visual, like infographics or light papers. In the future, AI may even write or analyze them for investors.
So, how do you read a white paper? Step 1, problem and solution.
Step 4, roadmap. Step 5, team and security. If all these check out, then you can consider the project.
White papers may look boring, but they are the most powerful tool for smart investors. And this was Bilal Haider AI Studio, helping you invest with knowledge, not hype. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And tell me in the comments, do you actually read white papers before investing?